get to open this Franklin BBQ sausage that's been in our freezer. And we're gonna cook these bad boys up today. Okay, we got this bad boy going over. We're trying to get a medium heat here. And I just turned it down some. So I'm gonna put these sausages on here. I'm gonna put these sausages on. I just sprayed the grill. There they are. Godspeed, Franklin.
All right, we're making a side dish of cauliflower, mushroom, onion, skillet, something or another.
That's the perfect name.
That is what we're calling it. So we've got a very hot cast iron skillet here. We've got 4 tablespoons of Irish butter. It's going in there.
All right.
Could you use that less? Yes. But why? Why wouldn't you use 4 tablespoons? First thing I'm gonna add is a half an onion, and I've got them just kind of cut up into slivers, not diced. Ow. Ow. Right under my finger. I'm gonna let this cook for a good 3 minutes or so.
I don't know how easily these sausage casings break, and I'm trying to be careful not to break them. Spread it out this way. Easier to just roll them all.
Next thing is I'm putting in 8 ounces of baby walnut mushrooms with just the caps as is. And as you might be able to tell, they are not rinsed off. And the reason why is because you really want these to crisp up. And if you rinse them in water, I mean, you would have to let them dry back out. We don't have that much time. And a little dirt never hurts, and it's all going to be cooked off anyway. So I tried to wipe off anything that was like big chunks of dirt, but now these are going to be in here for good probably 5 minutes. Got these mushrooms cooking up nicely. They're starting to brown a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and add, this is a half a head of cauliflower. And this is just going to cook in with all of this for, everything's cooking faster in the cast iron, so I'm going to say 8 to 10 minutes, but it's probably going to take like 5 or 6 minutes on a cast iron. This is chicken broth, bone broth. You can use vegetable broth if you want to make it vegetarian, vegan. I think it would be vegan. Oh no, it wouldn't be because the butter. But
I like the low sodium as an older man.
And I like the low sodium as a younger woman who's married to an older man.
Brought to you by Simply Nature.
So I'm going to put a good 2 tablespoons in here, maybe 3,
2 tablespoons flow like a waterfall. Yeah, that's 1 to you is like 4 to the normal.
If you have fresh thyme, you can put fresh thyme in. I don't have any. I have some dry thyme, but man, use a tiny bit of it. Like, I don't know what that is, but that's 1/8 of a teaspoon, and that's barely. I mean, it really goes a long way. And salt and pepper it. You don't want to salt it right until the very end, because salt releases moisture and